Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use PayPal for Facebook Marketplace, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, you need to head over to your business like Ad Manager account and then click on your profile and then tap on Business Settings, just like that. And it's going to bring you to your page. After that, what you're going to do is scroll down until you find Billing and Payment. So click on this one and it should bring you to a page like this. And we're going to click on Payment Method, and then it says that you need to update your role to a finance editor, so modify this and then click on next and then assign to myself, yes. And next. Sorry, the permission is denied for me because I have not verified my account yet. But after you verify, it's gonna say that add business payment method. You can just click on add and then choose PayPal from the list, and there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.